Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Capricorn for the month of December, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what is going and watch your messages. Let's see your messages, Capricorn. And your first card for the reading. Ten of Pentacles, wow. Queen of Wands. Wow. Wow. I think you are going to take some major decisions in your life, or you already took some decisions in recent past. Capricorn. Yeah. I think for some you are getting more money in recent past. Definitely you may be settled in your career. Financially you are very stable right now. And Queen of Wands, definitely you are stand by your power, but I think you are going to make some decisions. Yes, Judgment is here. Definitely there is some decision making. So your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see some more. So let's see what is going on your connection. So let's see some more messages. Okay. Hierophant, Page of Swords, Devil. Your person could be Capricorn also. I think Hierophant, some commitment is coming in your way. And Page of Swords, I think your person may be spying on your social media. And the Devil card, your person could be Capricorn also. Definitely there is some obsession. I think your person may be obsessed with you. They are spying on your social media. Yeah, I think in past maybe they didn't commit to you. They doesn't, but now they want to commit to you. Yeah. Yeah. So in past there is no commitment between you and your person. Now your person won't commit to you. Hierophant, they are spying on you. They are obsessed with you. But you are concentrating on your career, and you are making more money. Yeah. Let's see. You are very stable, balanced, super balanced. Capricorn. The Moon, King of Swords, Tower. Yes, I think it's a tower moment for your person. I think if you are in separation or in no contact, definitely your person feeling this tower moment right now, and you cut them off. Definitely you are very honest and straightforward person in this connection. You put a lot of effort in this connection, but there is no result. That's why you concentrating on your career. Definitely I think for some your person may be in and out your life. Then they may be hide something from you. Pisces, your person could be the Moon. Definitely there are some secrets hidden in this connection. Your person may be hiding something from you. Yeah. So let's see some more. Some communication, definitely some communication. I think you want to give clarity to your person. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles, Two cards. Sorry guys. Two cards. Okay, Eight of Pentacles, Empress, Five of Wands. Yeah. For some you are concentrating on your career. Definitely you are working hard towards your goals. For some now your person want to work on this relationship. Yeah. And but you stand by your power. Definitely you stand by your power this time. For some it could be third party, another woman involved. That's why you cut them off. And Five of Wands, definitely more than one person fighting for your attention right now. For some you and your person still having some disturbances, some misunderstandings between both of you. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Four of Swords, Princess of Pentacles, Seven of Wands. Yeah, I think your person right now not talking to you, Four of Swords, or you are not talking to your person. Definitely there is no contact, Four of Swords. I think your person may be undergoing some spiritual awakening, and they are thinking about you a lot. Definitely they won't give up on you because Seven of Wands is here. Definitely some communication. They want to send some message to you, Princess of Pentacles, and they are very clarity about this, and they are very clear about this relationship. So they want you back. Definitely some communication. They are thinking about you a lot. Four of Swords. Let's see the near future actions towards you. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, Lovers, Chariot, and the Fool. Definitely there is love between both of you. The Lovers cause here with Chariot. Definitely they love you. There is no doubt. And the Chariot, they want to take this relationship to next level, but it is very slow moving energy. And the Fool, definitely they want a brand new beginnings with you. Yeah, Capricorn, your person want new beginnings with you. Sorry guys. So if you are in separation, definitely they want new beginnings with you. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, you or your person could be Cancer also, or Gemini. Definitely they want brand new beginnings. They want to take leap of faith. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Okay, Temperance, Five of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Ace of Wands. But one person in this connection feeling very sad for the separation. I think it's your person. They realize you both, but you stand by your power. Even though you are feeling very sad for the separation, but you overcome that pain. But now your person feeling that pain. They are very heartbroken right now. They want passionate new beginnings, but they are waiting for the right time. I think this connection goes to next level in divine timing, because temperance, patience, and balance is needed. Definitely this time your connection needed patience and balance. Definitely. So Five of Pentacles with Three of Swords. Definitely I think you both are feeling sad for the separation. You both are taking your time, but your person want brand new beginnings. But Chariot is slow moving energy. Definitely they are waiting for the right time to come towards you, and there is a passionate new beginnings between both of you. Capricorn, you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Capricorn, Four of Cups, Eight of Cups, Death, and Six of Cups. Yeah, you feel that you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Still you are feeling, but you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio, and Eight of Cups. But you walked away from this connection due to any reason, but for some, like there is no equal give and take. You only the person always invest in this connection. Yeah, I think you are not going to accept this cup of love which is offered by you, by your person. For some definitely you are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person. Yeah, you walked away. Definitely that's why you are feeling sad, but they are coming back. For some, you stand by your power, you don't want. For some, definitely you are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's say your person overall feelings for the week. Overall energy. Death, definitely you both are on the same page. Your person also undergoing some spiritual awakening. Queen of Cups, Justice, and Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship. They want second chance, Capricorn, and they have strong emotions for you, and definitely they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. Yes, you or your person could be Libra, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Definitely they want to invest in this connection, and they want second chance, Capricorn. So it's up to you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you. Bye.